home one day and said to my wife, I'm going to start my own company. And she said, whatever, if that's what you want to do, you're the one who has to work. So I did. And it's really all about the people.
Everybody is excited about what they do. They're really good at what they do. And we basically work miracles for people.
Every single thing we do ultimately is consumed by a consumer.
We are a full-service engineering company with a construction and maintenance side. So basically we can do concept to completion.
The idea is flexibility, but accountability. You have to have the right kind of personality, of course, to be here. And then just do great work and have good teamwork.
I think the biggest thing about Optimation is the diversity of the things we do.
If you need to make glass, paper, cars, pharmaceuticals, food, whatever you need to process,